This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hello everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing 4 bamboo flutes sent to me by the lovely people at Labu Flutes in Bangladesh. This is an instrument that I'm actually pretty unfamiliar with, so I'm very excited to test it out. 4 flutes, each in different sizes. Let's go with the smallest one first, shall we? They come in these very nice zip pouches with a carrying handle on the back. Take with you. Look at this. I play Irish whistle and this has some similarities. It's one piece, it's a cylindrical bore, and we've got 6 finger holes with no thumb at the back, which is why it's not a recorder. Whoa, that is exciting. Effortless 2 octaves. Some notes above 2 octaves also possible. Take a bit of experimentation. The things that immediately spring to mind, the tone is very sweet, it's very clear, it doesn't have a lot of the air rushing sound that you would get with my Irish whistle, for example. It's very light. Those low notes overblow almost immediately, so you have to be pretty precise with how you're blowing, but that makes it easier to play high. Oh! Something important to know, the key given here refers to the note you play with 3 fingers. That's a D. So if we were thinking in Irish whistle terms, this would be in A instead of D, which puts it halfway between an alto and a soprano recorder. Are you still with me? We're going one size bigger. This says it's in C. Just improvising these tunes, by the way. The sound of this one is noticeably more airy and fluttery than the first one I tried. Looking at the labium here, the winway, I wouldn't say it's super precise how it's being cut. This will mean that there will be a bit of variation in sound between the instruments. Let's go one bigger. Wow. This isn't a bamboo flute. This is a Bansuri. A Bansuri is a bamboo flute from Bangladesh or India and played like this. This is so special. I did not expect this. I don't know if my technique is right for the Bansuri. Any Bansuri players out there, please tell me. But it's very easy to make a note. It's easy to move between the lower and the higher octave. This will be in A sharp. Na, 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 na. So this lowest note is an F. The finger spacing feels very ergonomic. You can see that these 2 fingers are very close together, which is nicely comfortable. I have to get used to the hand position a bit. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. The The way these 6 holes are placed with no thumb hole at the back means that if you lift the fingers one by one, you will hear what in Western classical music we call a major scale. But of course, it's very possible to create semitones, quarter tones, microtones by half holing. Let's open the last one. This is exciting now. Is this going to be a bamboo flute or a bansuri? Flute. Oh my god, it almost doesn't fit in the video viewfinder. So our lowest note is D. Beautiful. Wow. Again, I noticed the higher octave speaks very easily. And you can play beautifully soft. For the low octave, you've really got to slow your breath down. So this will be in the same pitch range as my low whistle. And it sounds quite different. The sound is more reedy and warmer, I would say. I mean, I don't know if this sounds so cheesy, but I can feel that this used to be a living plant. I have to be a bit more careful with the sound in the lower register. It overblows very easily. It could be because, look at this, the windway here that's cut in is very small. On my metal low whistle, which, you know, metal is going to be a bit harder anyway, the windway is very wide. That gives me more room to maneuver in terms of breath. I love these. I love them. Thank you, Labu Flutes, for sending them to me. Do check out the Labu Flutes website. They have a huge range of not only the whistles, but the Bansuri flutes as well. All different keys. You can buy them in sets, from instruments for beginners up to what's listed as classical performance instruments. They ship all over the world. I know that because they shipped from Bangladesh to me in the Netherlands. So do go check them out. Wait, I'm seeing something here. There's an extra hole. Am I being really stupid? I mean, no, I think that hole must be for the tuning. Even the smallest one, it's too far for my fingers to reach. I do not know. Do you know? If so, please leave it in the comments. If you play bamboo flute or bansuri or play traditional Bangladeshi music, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to get to know some more music. So I've learned something new today. I'm always so smooth with this. I'm going to segue into chatting about Skillshare, which is a place where you can also learn new things. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can discover thousands of classes in loads of different areas to help you explore your personal development and growth, which basically means have fun learning new things. They have loads of music classes alongside areas like music theory, jazz harmony, and various flute classes. I've been finding the vocal warm-up for singers class by David Daddario super useful before I practice or rehearse. Singing is my hobby rather than my job, so I find that extra guidance really helpful. And those of you who regularly watch will know that I've been using Skillshare to help me get into gardening. They're still alive! If you're looking to get deeper into a hobby, then Skillshare's brilliant. You could also use it for your business worky stuff. I believe they call that up-leveling your skills. There's loads of classes on freelancing or entrepreneurship or business. Helpful for me as well. So if I've got you excited about this, check out the link in the description box. The first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed getting to know these lovely bamboo flutes. Thank you so much to Labu Flutes for sending them to me. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. Over here's the Team Recorder Patreon where you can support the channel, and here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!